Every person facing a court-martial must make at least 3 decisions. The first decision is what lawyer you should use. The second is how to plead, guilty or not guilty. And the third is whether to testify on your own behalf. These are your decisions alone. In the military, if you're facing a court-martial, each service will provide you a free, detailed military lawyer. You also have the right to request an individual military counsel. That is, a military lawyer of your choosing. And if that lawyer is reasonably available, he or she will be detailed to your case. Additionally, you have the right to hire a civilian lawyer at your own expense. This civilian lawyer will not be paid for by the military. Since the military is providing a free lawyer, how do you know if you should hire an expensive civilian lawyer for your court-martial? Honestly, not every case will require the services of a civilian lawyer. For example, cases that are military-only offenses with little or no risk of confinement, or cases where you intend to plead guilty from the outset, your military detailed counsel may be more than prepared to assist you without the aid of a civilian lawyer. It's really a matter of trust. If you trust that your military lawyer will do everything possible to assist, then these types of cases will not need a civilian lawyer in most instances. However, when facing serious charges such as aggravated assault, murder, sexual assault, and rape, the assistance of an experienced civilian defense lawyer may be essential. Likewise, if you're facing a lengthy prison term, loss of your family, or your career, and possibly over $1 million in retirement, a civilian lawyer may be needed. It's a harsh fact that almost all military lawyers will have less experience than respected civilian defense lawyers who have dedicated their lives to defending service members. The military justice system is structured to make JAG officers generalists, not specialists. They are all required to serve tours in non-criminal jobs like legal assistance, contracts, operational law, administrative law, and claims. After a tour in military justice, 2 at most, it's likely the military lawyer will never again see the inside of a courtroom. When most JAGs become field-grade officers, they generally stop doing legal work altogether and become legal managers, supervising the inexperienced captains and preparing reports for staff judge advocates. What's even more troubling in the military system, it is not a requirement that a defense supervisor have prior defense experience or even criminal law experience for that matter. And while most military lawyers are good practitioners, because of the system, they are inexperienced and have tried very few courts-martial. So when your case is complicated, or when you face years behind bars or sex offender registration, you should consider adding a civilian attorney to your team, one that can provide the experience your detailed counsel may be missing. Sometimes, there's just too much at risk. I am Will Hellickson, and thank you for your attention.